Good morning and welcome to our channel, Coastal Claire. Well, today we are at Blackpool Pleasure Beach. Very excited to be back here. It was 16 months ago we were last here.
Yeah.
I'm really excited for Leo as well because he wasn't quite ready for Icon here last time.
Yeah.
He actually got on the seat and then changed his mind at the last minute. But today he is ready for it, and I think that's where we're heading for first. So
I'll see what we get on first, but looking forward to Icon.
Yeah, a little bit of
The fact we didn't manage to get on Hyperia because it broke or at the Thorpe Park.
Yeah.
Icon is probably my favourite ride in the UK.
I've got two because I like Icon, but I also love Stealth as well at the park. I absolutely love that one. Okay, so not the best start to the day. Icon is down. They're hoping to get it open later. Also, Big Dipper is not open today. I was looking forward to getting on that because that was shut the last time we came due to them doing refurbishment work on it. So I think we might head to the big one and
She's gonna do it, it's sad.
Blackpool!
She's gonna do it, it's sad. She's gonna do it, it's sad. She's gonna do it, it's sad. She's gonna do it, it's sad.
Oh!
Right, your last one now, sweetheart, last one, go on.
Go on, Chloe!
See if I can do it as well.
Ah! So cool. Okay, so we made our way to the big one.
Yep.
That one's currently shut at the
not
minute.
closed, it's just testing for around an hour or less.
They're testing it with sandbags. So
Yeah.
at the minute, we've got Icon. Sorry, that's Nickelodeon Street going past. So we've got Icon shut, Big Dipper shut, and at the moment the big one. So yeah, really not much luck so far. So I think possibly we'll maybe go
Yeah, we haven't got any luck.
towards Nickelodeon Street and then maybe Infusion. Okay, so Blue Fire is open, so we're gonna go on that. So we've just come off a ride on Blue Fire, myself, Chloe, Vince and Leo. Yeah, nice ride that one, nice family wooden coaster. And I tell you what, for its age, I just read it was built in 1934. So for its age, I tell you what, the park have looked after that coaster. Yeah, it was very enjoyable.
It's an
So,
old-fashioned wooden coaster. Rickety, but not rough. So
I
didn't go fast enough to be rough.
no,
was fun.
they've maintained that well when you think of its age though as well. Right, next up, Nickelodeon Street.
Going for a ride on Nickelodeon Street now. Another old wooden coaster. I think I quite enjoyed this last time we came. Well, we're just about to have a ride shortly on Nickelodeon Street, which is an out and back wooden roller coaster that was originally built in 1933, and it was rethemed from Nickelodeon to Nickelodeon Street in 2011. Originally the coaster was built by Charles Page. So I remember quite enjoying this last time we came, so we'll see what we think of it this time. On Nickelodeon Street. Should be on this next train.
Up after your right.
Yeah, slightly more.
That's Nickelodeon Street.
Ride on Nickelodeon Street and enjoyed that one. Had some not strong airtime, but a little bit of a weakish airtime on it, but it was fun.
Quite a lot of floaty airtime.
Yes.
And I even got a couple of moments of very slight ejector.
Yes, yeah. On the first run I did a little bit as well. It was a good fun coaster, extremely comfortable seats as well, may I add.
Good old coaster.
Classic. So Leo is just queuing up for this mini log flume ride. So see how he likes that.
Off he goes.
There he is. Leo, you ready to get soaked?
See if this is Leo coming over now. Where have you gone? He's vanished.
This looks like a zippy little children's ride. Pirate. Next ride of the day, we're going to go on Avalanche, a bobsleigh coaster built by Mack Rides. It's got quite a bit of zip to it, this one, so looking forward to it. Well, it's currently 12:15 and the big one has been testing with sandbags but still not open. No sign of Revolution or Icon opening, but we're praying that Icon does. More so for Leo because he's been so desperate to get on it because he didn't do it last time, so hopefully waiting to go on Avalanche. Excited for this one.
This is the Avalanche station here with the big pipes up there and the Swiss theme.
It's a nice bobsleigh coaster, this one. I think if I remember rightly, I said last time, how many of these? We've done about 3 or 4 of these. This is probably, oh no, the one at Park Street is probably my favourite, but this is good. Yeah. Was it Trace the Horror, isn't it?
Yes, Trace the Horror Park
I think this one's zippy.
Trace the Horror's longer, but I think this has got a little bit more pace. From what I remember anyway.
We'll have to see.
There's the train coming in.
On Avalanche, myself, Chloe and Vince went on. We had to wait, a bit of a wait on it, but yeah, it's a good fun zippy ride, that one.
Yeah, I had the front row and Chloe and Vince were in the second row. Last time when we came to Blackpool Pleasure Beach, I think I was sat near the back on it, so it was a nice experience, the front row on it. Thoroughly enjoyed it. It's nowhere near as long as rides like Trace the Horror in Park Asterix, but it's got good pacing on it. Enjoyed it. It's a Mack ride built in. What year was it built in? 1988. It's a Mack ride bobsleigh.
And next ride of the day, we're going to go on Infusion. Not one of my favourites, but be good to give it another go. Last time I got the front, which wasn't too bad. Infusion is a Vekoma SLC. They're known to be not the best, but we'll see how it's riding now. So slight change of plan. The queue for Infusion was looking a little bit long, so I thought we'll head to Grand National first because it's only on 10 minutes. Get a ride on that. So update, the big one is now closed. They said it's too windy. Revolution is still also closed, as is Icon and Big Dipper. So ride availability not the best today so far.
There seems to be one train running on the rides that are open as well.
Yeah, so there's queues forming. So yeah, we're going to check out Grand National now and see what the queue's like for that. So we just come off a ride on Grand National. That was brilliant, wasn't it, Chloe?
Well, I will take back what I said on the last vlog we did when we came to Blackpool Pleasure Beach.
Yeah.
Whereas I went on Grand National and hated it. I came off with a headache. But it was just a front row ride then on that. And
was
I loved
brilliant.
it. That was brilliant.
I think the interaction with the other train, talking to the other people,
Come here.
I just
hello.
laughed all the way around. They've
Loads
done
of good
something-
airtime as well.
Yeah, it
and,
was brilliant.
really good. I really
So
enjoyed that.
good, yeah. I think we'll get another ride on that later. We just stopped off for a drink. We've met a new friend, introducing Kieran. He's going to come on the ride with us, aren't you? I think next up, what are we going on next?
Valhalla, did you say?
Valhalla. Should we do Valhalla next? Yeah. Cannot wait for this. Valhalla, I have not been on this for years. I cannot wait for this. You excited, Leo? Excited, Kieran? Chloe? Yeah. I'm so excited. Oh my actual days. I can't even, I'm in shock. We just come off Valhalla. It is, I'm speechless. The special effects in there, the drop with the fire. But we are, from head to toe, all of us are absolutely... I have never been so certain. I've been on a lot of water rides.
I mean, if
I
it was,
literally can't believe it.
if it was middle of summer and like 20 odd degrees, it'd be fine. But it's not. It's November and it's cold.
I think they may as well like get a bucket of water and just launch it on you. It is, but it is fantastic though. What it's the best, probably one of the best water rides I've ever been. A dark ride. That is just, it's phenomenal. It really is. But you get absolutely saturated.
Oh my god, I can't believe
Next ride of the day, Derby Racer. Hopefully we'll dry off a little bit. We're absolutely freezing. So Derby Racer was built back in 1959. So another old classic that I've never been on. I've always walked past it and thought I want to go on it, but now we're getting to go on it. Excited. So we've just come off a ride on Derby Racer. That was good, enjoyed it. It's a fun flat ride, isn't
Yeah,
it?
like a souped up carousel, isn't it?
Yeah. Did you enjoy it?
I did.
Nice, Leo?
Yeah.
I did.
Yeah, it's fun.
Well, me and Leo have just come off next to back row ride on Infusion, and I didn't find it too bad to be honest, but I kept my head back and pressed this one side, and there goes Claire.
There goes Mummy. Mother! Hope Mum's fine. We had a bit of spice left.
That's the end of our day here at Blackpool Pleasure Beach.
And we're freezing.
We should have left Valhalla till the end because you get an absolute soaking on it. But to sum up our day, we were a little disappointed with ride availability. With Icon was down, as was the big one, Revolution and Big Dipper. But we made the most of our day. We had a fantastic ride on Grand National. That was running so well. We just laughed all the way around, didn't we, on that?
It's a shame that because of the ride availability, and then the rides that we're running on one train. It's a good job the park was quiet.
Yeah.
A lot of the rides would have been walk-on if there were two trains, I think.
Yeah,
pretty
definitely.
But I'm very disappointed with the fact that Icons was shut today, and the big ones
They're like
been down because of the wind.
Because they're like the main. But I don't really think it's been that windy, has it? Really?
Not
Now
really,
it's
it's
picked up a
windier
bit.
now than it was earlier. So,
But it's what it is, and it happens. But yeah, we made this one day, and you know, we made a friend as well, didn't we?
Yeah. The big plus point for me, though, I think, was the last time we came, I had a very bad ride on Grand National, and I came off with a headache and sort of rattling and rough.
Yeah.
I had a front row ride today, and I loved it. It's brilliant.
Great.
So it's
It was great. That is running really well, I thought.
it's nice to have come away from it having really appreciated a ride on Grand National.
Yeah. And in Fusion, to be honest, I know it gets, you know, people say it's rough. I actually found it alright. I had the front row and didn't find that too bad either.
Yeah,
It's not one of my favourites, but it's definitely, that's running better as well.
Myself and Leo had a next to back row, and yet I didn't find it too bad. You know, because far worse SLCs, put it that way.
Yeah. Yes.
Condor and Wallaby
Condor.
Holland springs to mind.
You broke my bracelet. But yeah.
Yeah, it's not been the day maybe we've hoped to have had.
But we made
We've
the
still
best
had a
of
day
it.
out.
And yeah, it's been nice to get out and spend
Had a
family
great
time.
ride. Great ride on Grand National. So.
Well, that's it for now, and we will see you again very soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, Kirsten and Claire, and follow us on Instagram, X, and Facebook. Bye for now.
Bye.